Hi, my name is Caitlin Corzow, and I'm a program manager at Microsoft. Today, I will be going over how to use Azure Advisor in Cloud Shell to allow us to see more detailed information about Azure Advisor's recommendations, as well as customize those recommendations. During this demo, I will be taking on the persona of Janet Lever, a newly hired IT pro at Contoso IT. I am going to get started by opening the Azure Advisor dashboard within the Azure portal. Recently, I've been attempting to lower the overall cost of my subscriptions. Azure Advisor recommends a few machines that I could resize to gain some initial savings. I'd like to see if I can find additional machines that could benefit in the same way. I've decided to use Azure Cloud Shell to adjust the CPU threshold, as this interface allows me to make a specific, targeted change within a single line entry. I am going to identify what additional machines are underutilized so I can later resize them. Let's start by opening the Azure Cloud Shell console. Azure has made access to the command line easy and simple with Azure Cloud Shell. Once in the Azure Cloud Shell, I am going to start by showing Azure Advisor's current configuration. As you can see, my threshold is set to 5%, which is far too low. I'm going to raise that value up to 20%, which targets machines where the CPU is less than 20%, rather than only if it's less than 5%. To ensure the threshold change took, I will rerun the show configuration command to verify. Now I can see that the CPU threshold has been updated. By using the Azure Cloud Shell, I can make very targeted changes to my environments in ways that work best with my organization's processes, enabling IT pros of all levels to be more tactical with Azure Advisor and lowering the overhead of subscription management.